Ready? Exercise number 34, legal matter, start. The crime of man's laughter is termed as culpable homicide. Of Scotland and England that covers a number of criminal homicides equivalent to manslaughter in legal criminal jurisdictions. Section 299 of the Indian Penal Code deals with culpable homicide and it is stated as follows. However, causes death by doing an act with the intention of causing death or with the knowledge that he is likely by such act to cause death commits the offence of culpable homicide. The Penal Code has first defined culpable homicide simpliciter under bracket section 299 IPC bracket out termed as manslaughter under English law, which is genius, and then murder under bracket section 300 IPC bracket out, which is a species of homicide. Stop next para. A person who causes bodily injury to another who is laboring under a disorder, disease, or bodily infirmity and thereby accelerates the death of that other shall be deemed to have caused his death. Where death is caused by bodily injury, the person who causes such bodily injury shall be deemed to have caused the death, although by resorting to proper remedies and skillful treatment, the death might have been prevented. The causing of the death of a child in the mother's womb is not homicide, but it may amount to culpable homicide to cause the death of a living child. If any part of that child has been brought forth, though the child may not have breathed or completely born. Stop next para. The fact that the death of a human being is caused is not enough unless one of the mental states mentioned in ingredient is present. An act causing death cannot amount to culpable homicide. Thus, where a constable who had lost but defective gun with him wanted to arrest an accused who was going on a bullock cart by climbing on the cart, and there was a scuffle between him and the accused, and in course of which the gun went off and killed the constable, it was held that accused could not be held guilty of culpable homicide. Stop next para. In order to hold a person liable under the impugned section, there must be causing of death of a human being as defined under section 46 of the code. The causing of death of a child in the mother's womb is not homicide as stated in explanation 3 appended to section 299 IPC, but the person would not be set free. He would be punishable for causing miscarriage either under section 312 of 315 IPC depending on the gravity of the injury. The act of causing death amounts to culpable homicide if any part of that child has been brought forth, though the child may not have breathed or been completely born. The clause, though the child may not have breathed, suggests that a child may be born alive, though it may not breath under bracket respire bracket out, or it may respire so imperfectly that it may be difficult to obtain clear proof that respiration takes place. Causing of death must be of a living human being, which means a living man, woman, child, at least partially an infant under delivery or just delivered. Stop. Thank you very much.